If you're looking to add a touch of luxury to your home, you're in for a treat. Introducing the Clearwater II hot tub from Blue Whale Spa. It comes in a stunning, smoky, black acrylic finish with free steps and an insulating cover. But wait, there's more! You also get free delivery and installation to anywhere across the UK mainland. The Clearwater II features the latest chemical tablet dispensing pod technology, meaning manual chemical maintenance is simpler than ever. With the Gecko control system, managing your hot tub has never been easier. This hot tub is packed with 61 powerful jets, including 4 dedicated foot massage jets, 3 fountains, and a 10-inch waterfall. Imagine sinking into the warm water, feeling the gentle pressure of the jets melting away your stress. Pure bliss. And with 2 Storm Force 9 pumps, you're guaranteed a powerful and invigorating massage every time. The Clearwater II is designed for ultimate comfort and relaxation. With 4 spacious seats and 1 luxurious lounger, there's plenty of room for the whole family. Whether you're unwinding after a long day or hosting a fun family gathering, this hot tub has got you covered. And let's not forget the 27 stunning LEDs. These lights create a mesmerizing ambience that transforms your backyard into a serene oasis, perfect for those late-night soaks under the stars. The Clearwater II operates on a 13 AMP supply and has a 2 kilowatts heater, ensuring your hot tub is always at the perfect temperature. Plus, it comes with insulation included to keep the heat in and the energy cost down. So, what are you waiting for? Elevate your home experience with the Clearwater II hot tub from Blue Whale Spa.